Hello and welcome to BananaCrystal. In this video, we'll be talking about how to set up your digital dollar account. What is a digital dollar account with BananaCrystal? A digital dollar account is a digital wallet that allows you to store, send, and receive dollars globally. This allows you access to a stable coin, 247 availability, secure and convenient digital dollar account to pay for your goods and services. For you to read more about the digital dollar account, you navigate to the website www.bananacrystal.com, and from the menu, you click on digital dollar account. This page is where you're going to read more about the digital dollar account, answers to your FAQs, and many more. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to create your digital dollar account, also talking about how to send and receive payments. And lastly, we're going to talk about how to pay for goods and services through a Venmo or PayPal account. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. From the website www.bananacrystal.com, in the menu, you click on Sign In to be redirected to the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you're prompted with a sign in page, but for this video, you will be needing to create an account. So on this menu here, click on Sign Up. Here you'll be presented with a seamless registration form that requires the basic details. So in this video, I'm going to be filling in sample information, but you should fill in with your own real credentials. So you can include a referral code if you're being referred by someone, accept the terms and conditions, complete your reCAPTCHA, and submit your request. After submitting your request, if the email has not been taken and all information here are validated to be accepted by the system, you should receive an email for your account confirmation. With this process, you've been able to successfully create your BananaCrystal digital dollar account. Now, let's sign in to our BananaCrystal digital dollar account. On the sign up page, you fill in your email and your password. Also, complete the reCAPTCHA. Let's log in into your account. Now on this account, you'll be greeted with our dashboard that shows you your account balance, your P2P balance, your other crypto balance, where you can toggle between all the different assets you have currently on the platform. A way for you to request for your digital, for your USD debit card, as well as other interesting features that we have in store for you. But the focus of this video is on the digital dollar account, how you will be able to send and receive payments as a Banana Crystal user. It is very important for you to verify your account to enjoy all of Banana Crystal goodies that we have in store for you. In order to do that, from the menu, you click on My Account, and from My Account, you navigate to the verification page. Here you are expected not to be verified, so you need to complete this form, verify your account with our verification provider, and once you've been verified, you'll be able to add funds, send payments, receive payments, perform P2P with other people on the platform. Now, moving on with the video, the next category is talking about how you'll be able to send payments in Banana Crystal. There are various ways through which you are able to send funds to users on Banana Crystal. So we're going to navigate to the payments page, click on send payment. Here you are able to send funds to a Banana Crystal account. You are also able to invite a sender by sharing your referral code. Also, you are able to send USDT on Polygon to an external wallet address. And lastly, you are able to sell your dollars through P2P. So it is another way you are able to send funds through P2P. Now in this video, I'll be demonstrating sending to a BananaCrystal account. Here you can input the USD you are willing to send. You can also change to an alternate currency, say sending to a Canadian account, and you can enter the Canadian equivalent, which should not be greater than your balance. And this is going to automatically, using our P2P conversion rate, to calculate the USD equivalent of this amount entered. Here you can also enter your recipient's email address or username, confirm that the user is available on the platform, enter your description, and click on preview. After clicking on preview, you have the submit button that shows you your fees and the total amount for this transaction. Click on submit, and this is going to allow you to confirm this transaction via email. And with this, you will be able to send payment to a BananaCrystal user. Also, in this method, you are able to send USDT on Polygon to an external wallet address. It's very, very easy also. Click on send USDT, select the crypto address, select the cryptocurrency you're willing to send, USDT, Tether, or Opaque, or if you have other crypto assets, you can include that. Enter the wallet address. Please verify that the wallet address is supporting only USDT on Polygon. As you know, loss of funds on the blockchain is irreversible. Enter the amount, preview your transaction, and confirm via email as you've seen with the previous step. Also, if you want to perform P2P, so if you want to send your funds, you can send your funds by selling to our available brokers. So here we have a list of people who are willing to transact P2P with you. You can select one that meets your profile from our payment method, and you can now send funds to this user via performing P2P. Moving on with the video, I'll be demonstrating how you can receive payment through BananaCrystal. Like the method of sending payments, we have internal transfers, we have performing P2P as a buyer. So when you're performing P2P as a buyer, in this instance, you need to do a deposit. So you need to receive funds into your digital dollar account. Also, you can receive USDT on Polygon to be credited in USD in your digital dollar account. So you go to receive payment under the payments menu. You can share your email address or share your username to the sender, invite the sender to join, or receive USDT on Polygon. Here, you can see your USDT wallet address. You can also share the QR code to be scanned, and this is going to copy your wallet address to the sender. This way is also easy and convenient for you to receive funds into your digital dollar account. And moving on to the last part of the video, where we'll be talking about how to pay for goods and services to a Venmo or PayPal account. Like we said at the beginning of the video, to enjoy all of the goodness of BananaCrystal, it is very important to verify your account. So I will ensure you verify your account first before moving on with this next step. Here, you need to communicate with the receiver. So be it the person you're trying to pay or some of your other colleagues or friends that have a Venmo or PayPal account. Communicate with them to ensure they are also verified on Venmo. Confirm that they have USDT among the cryptocurrencies that they are able to receive. Also ensure that they share the correct address. Just to reiterate, loss of funds in the blockchain is irreversible. And here on BananaCrystal, once you have this information provided to them and you've gotten the crypto wallet address, you can now send payments. So from the menu, navigate to the crypto. From crypto, go to send crypto. Now select to send to an external wallet. Remember, Venmo is not an internal wallet on BananaCrystal, so this is the way to go about it. And also, if you're not verified, you will be unable to send to an external wallet. Click on continue, and this is going to present you with a page to send. You can select the cryptocurrency you're willing to send. In this case, you're willing to send USDT. Select the withdrawal network, just Polygon. Paste in the crypto wallet address sent in by the Venmo account. Enter the amounts you're willing to send. Click on preview, submit, and this is going to allow you send pay for your goods and services to a Venmo PayPal account on BananaCrystal. I'm excited to have you on board. I'm looking forward to seeing you sign up to the platform. Thank you and have a nice day.